Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 99 Corvette. It was a trade-in to a Nissan dealership out in Rapid City. Very nice car, low mileage, 50,000 miles on it. Excellent shape. You can see the wheels and the tire. Good tread. But super nice car, convertible. There's your black convertible top. Got the silver interior's in nice shape. Of course, your standard Corvette features: power windows, locks, cruise, tilt. Does also have the heads-up display that you can see up front there. Power seats, memory seats. Boy, you don't hardly see a scratch on it. Been to the shop, checked over. Of course, their dealership did it too, checked over great. So it's ready just to go cruising in. My wife has an 01 like this. They're really comfortable to drive. I just drove it last weekend, and they, I put a 2,000 mile, 1,500 mile each way trip with one of these, and it doesn't look like they'd be comfortable to sit in, but they are, and they're fun to drive. So any question, this is a really nice car, low mileage. Get yourself a nice affordable toy. 605-695-7391.